Howdy champs, my name is Mohit, and people, today we're gonna look at an example of down level revealed conditional comment. What exactly do I mean when I say that? Let's see. Let me hit the create new HTML button. Immediately let me change the doc type to HTML5. Keeps things very simple and tidy. You see out here, let me save the file up and let me call it conditional comment. Okay, cool. Conditional comment, right? Cool. So what is a down level revealed conditional comment? In fact, it'll be better if I show it to you with an example. Let me push it out here after the title tag. In fact, I can push it inside the body tag too. Okay, let's save and take up a preview in Google Chrome first, a non-IE browser, that is. Okay, so Chrome says, although guys, if you remember, I had pushed in the code not in the body of the document. To see anything on the website, it's a requirement that you should push it inside the body. Although it was not pushed there, it was pushed in the head of the document, it still appears like so. The site works best only in IE 8 and above. Either you're using a non-IE browser, thumbs up, true, or in IE version 7 and below. Okay, so this is true. I'm using a non-IE browser. Okay, let's check it out in another non-IE browser. Let's say Firefox. Firefox on my system usually takes a little longer than Chrome to appear. Just give me a sec. Okay, here is Firefox for you, and gives you the same message since we are using a non-IE browser. Okay, and let's this time check it out in IE. I'll come out with the explanation a little later. Let me first show you the previews, people. Okay, now since I'm using IE version 9, which is not less than or equal to IE 7, since it is not, that is the reason I don't see anything out here in the body of the document. Why that happens, we'll come back to that once again. Let me change the version. Let me drop it down through the developer tools to IE version 8. I still don't see the message out here, and let's go with 7. The message appears back simply because I'm using an IE version 7 and below. So how does this happen? Every time I use a non-IE version or IE version 7 and below, this message appears, otherwise it doesn't. Okay, it's because it's a down level revealed conditional comment, which then enables you to include content in browsers that don't recognize conditional comments. Chrome does not recognize conditional comments, nor does Opera, nor does Safari. They are non-IE browsers and they don't recognize conditional comments. Although the conditional comment itself is ignored, the HTML content inside is not. So basically, although this comment itself is ignored, it says if LTE IE7. So if the version is less than or equal to IE7, then if it is true, then show this message. It also works for browsers which are non-IE. Okay, and they display the content. That's why we say revealed conditional comment. The site works best in IE 8, so the P tag and whatever is inside the H3 element with the style attribute color property set to this color, it appears. Right, cool. Internet Explorer 5 and later versions also parse and render the content if the conditional expression evaluates to true. What does it mean? It means that as long as the Internet Explorer version is less than or equal to IE7, then this message will be displayed. as is. Otherwise it will not. So as long as this condition evaluates to true, this will be displayed in IE, or else it will not. And the down level revealed conditional comment complements the down level hidden conditional comment. What does that mean? That means you must have seen my tutorials that I made a little earlier about conditional style sheets, conditional classes, alright, which are completely hidden from other browsers. They are called hidden conditional comments. Vis-a-vis, this is called the down level revealed conditional comment. And yep, so they actually complement the down level hidden conditional comments. People, to understand what exactly is a down level hidden conditional comment, you must check out IE only style sheets tutorial by me, or IE conditional classes tutorial that I'd made some time ago. Alright, I'd also told you a while ago that I can place this revealed conditional comment anywhere, not only in the head of the document. Let's check it out. So if I cut it from here and push it inside the body, yes, obviously it will appear. Let's check it out in Google Chrome after saving the changes. Yes, and let's check out IE this time. Doesn't, simply because I'm using IE version 9. If it were IE 8, 7 or below, I'm sorry, it would appear. Right. What I could have done is, inside the body I could have, let's say, I can push it inside the footer. You know, this is that's a nice place to you know, display your messages. So let's say insert layout objects div tag. Let me give it an ID of header. This time new CSS class, just say header, and don't give it any property, don't define any rules, just say OK. So we have a header out here. Okay, let's copy this up, let's paste it out here. We have a footer out here like this, and what I can do is I can take this comment out from here, I can cut it and I can push it inside the footer like this. Okay, and you see this is where the content for the header goes, this is where the content for the footer goes. Let's have a preview up in IE this time. Okay, so you just see the header, you don't see the footer. But the moment I switch to IE 7 and below, let's see what happens. IE 8, nothing happens. IE 7, and the message reappears. The site works best only in IE 8 and above. Either you are using a non-IE browser, no, or in IE version 7 and below. I'm using IE 7, that is why it actually appears. So people, this is what a down level revealed conditional comment means, and this is how you can actually use it. So people, I hope you learned something from this tutorial, would implement it, and would also keep coming back to my tutorials to learn more. You have a good day. Bye bye. Peace.